How to lock apps on Android. So if you want to quickly go ahead and lock apps on Android, here's what you're going to do. So you're going to want to make sure to have a setting turned on. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Android's settings and you're going to go to its advanced settings in the bottom, and you're going to make sure your app pinning is on. Okay, usually it is off, so you're going to make sure that use app pinning has been turned on. So it's going to look differently in different phones. So let's say on a Samsung, it's going to look like this, where it's going to say app pinning. You're going to go ahead and click on use app pinning. Now, once you have turned on app pinning, what you can do is you can pin an app. So you're simply going to pin the app by clicking on both the bottom buttons, and that's going to pin the app, and you will not be able to use that app. Okay, that locks the app. So to unlock or unpin the app, you're going to obviously go hold the recent and back buttons at the same time, and that should unpin it. So that's basically how you can lock apps on Android. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.